Dubrovnik, Croatia. Dubrovnik, Croatia, is a popular tourist destination known for its stunning architecture, rich history, and scenic coastal location. Visitors to Dubrovnik come from various backgrounds and interests. Here are some types of visitors you can find in Dubrovnik. Visitors interested in exploring Dubrovnik's well-preserved old town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, to admire its historic buildings, city walls, and ancient streets. Dubrovnik served as a prominent filming location for the TV series Game of Thrones, attracting fans of the show who come to see iconic settings like King's Landing and take themed tours. Sunseekers who come to enjoy the beautiful beaches along the Adriatic Sea, such as Banja Beach and Koparsabana Beach. Many cruise itineraries include Dubrovnik as a port of call, allowing passengers to explore the city's attractions during a day trip. Outdoor enthusiasts who want to explore the surrounding natural beauty, including nearby islands like Lokrum, Oriti Islands, and the hiking trails in the Dubrovnik Riviera. Culinary enthusiasts who seek to indulge in Dalmatian cuisine, seafood, and local wines in Dubrovnik's restaurants and taverns. Academics, students, and researchers interested in studying the city's history, art, and cultural heritage. Scuba divers, snorkelers, and water sports enthusiasts attracted by the clear waters of the Adriatic Sea and opportunities for activities like kayaking and jet skiing. Couples from around the world choose Dubrovnik as a romantic destination for weddings and honeymoons due to its picturesque setting. Backpackers and budget-conscious travelers who appreciate the affordability of hostels and budget-friendly accommodations in Dubrovnik. High-end tourists seeking luxurious hotels, private villas, and presque dining experiences in Dubrovnik. Enthusiasts of European history interested in learning about Dubrovnik's maritime trade history and its role in diplomacy. Families visiting Dubrovnik to explore family-friendly attractions like Dubrovnik Aquarium, Dubrovnik Cable Car, and Fort Lovrijenac. Dubrovnik is a picturesque coastal city located in southern Croatia, on the Adriatic Sea. It is known for its stunning medieval architecture, rich history, and beautiful natural surroundings. Visitors to Dubrovnik come for a variety of reasons, and here are some of the types of visitors you can find in Dubrovnik. History and culture enthusiasts. Visitors interested in exploring Dubrovnik's well-preserved old town, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and its historic landmarks such as the city walls, Richter's Palace, and St. Blessed Church. Game of Thrones fans. Dubrovnik served as a filming location for the popular TV series Game of Thrones, attracting fans from around the world who come to see iconic settings like King's Landing. Beach lovers. Tourists looking to relax on the city's beautiful beaches, such as Banja Beach and Koparsabana Beach, and enjoy the crystal clear waters of the Adriatic. Many cruise lines include Dubrovnik as a port of call, allowing passengers to spend a day exploring the city's attractions and shops. Hikers and nature lovers who want to explore the nearby Oriti Islands, MLJ National Park, and the beautiful coastline surrounding Dubrovnik. Foodies and wine enthusiasts looking to savor Dalmatian cuisine and Croatian wines in the city's restaurants and cafes. Researchers, students, and academics interested in studying the city's history, art, and architecture. Scuba divers and water sports enthusiasts drawn to the Adriatic Sea's underwater beauty and opportunities for activities like snorkeling, kayaking, and jet skiing. Couples from around the world choose Dubrovnik as a romantic destination for their weddings and honeymoons, taking advantage of the city's stunning backdrop. Backpackers and budget travelers. Travelers on a budget who appreciate the affordability of hostels and budget-friendly accommodations in and around Dubrovnik. High-end tourists seeking luxurious hotels, private villas, and presque dining experiences in Dubrovnik. Enthusiasts of European history who want to learn more about the city's past and its role in maritime trade and diplomacy. Dubrovnik's combination of natural beauty, historical significance, and cultural attractions makes it a popular destination for a wide range of visitors, from history buffs to sun seekers and adventure enthusiasts.